Hello children. So we learned lesson 1 and 2 in your English, right? So we didn't do the activities. Now we are going to learn the activities including grammar part. So take out your English reader, page number 14 children. So the what they given in first lesson, hatty hat is there, right? In there, choose the correct answer they given. So first one they given, Hatty Hat does not like to dash. They given A main first one. What they given, Hatty Hat does not like to dash. So they given eat food, go out, stay at home. What it was not liking? It was not liking to eat food. Can hat eat food? No. So stay at home and going out, which we should write? Go out. The hatty hat was not liking to go out, right? So you should write there, go out. Second one, the owner of the hatty hat is dash. What is the hat with whom the hat was staying with? What is her name? So her name is Miss Lovely, Miss Happy or Miss Wonderful. We should write Miss Lovely. Miss Lovely. So wow, what a beautiful hat. The children say this because dash they given. What you should write? They want to please Miss Lovely. They want to go out and play. Hatty hat is very beautiful. What you should write? The children say this because Hatty hat is very beautiful. Hat is very beautiful. So from now on, I will never let you be outside the house again. So what it is Lovely is saying here, from here onwards, I will not let you go out. So who says this? Hatty Hat, Miss Lovely, the children. Who is saying this? Miss Lovely is saying to Hat. Who is saying? Miss Lovely is saying to Hat. Next is question answers that I'll send you in the classwork notebook that you can copy. So what vocabulary they given? Match the words with the pictures. So they given some of the words here. Children, you should only do it that. Storm, cold, rain, snow, wind, hot. So if you see this picture, which you can, you find that for that word, which picture will suit, for that you should match. So storm, which is storm here? Here, this one is rainy, cold, sunny, wind, snow. So this one is storm. The left, right side, first picture is storm. Second, the boy is standing, that is cold. Here, the rain drops are falling, that is rain. This is snow. This is wind. This is sun. Hot. So this one you should mark in your textbook. So what they given next one? Pronunciations. So what pronunciation? A, R, A, L, J, Z sounds they given. So listen and repeat this one. Car, cart, large, park, part, shark, garden, call, ball, hall, tall, wall, mall, shawl. Next, jam, jar, gym, ginger, zip, zoo, zebra, zero. So take page next 16 page number. You're also same, you should read that one. Cat, cart, pack, park, pat, part, chart, chart, shell, shawl, tell, tall, well, wall, smell, small. Okay, so they frame the sentence in this word. The help of this word, they make a sentence. A car was parked near the wall on the mall. Pack a small sack of snacks for our party in the park. Okay. So what next they given? Grammar. So what we are going to learn in this now grammar, common noun. Okay. In first standard you all learned about nouns. What is noun? Naming words are called nouns, right? So which the name of the person, place, thing, animal. So for this we will call as a noun. So in this, which is proper noun, which is common noun? So in second standard you are going to learn. Here in your first lesson they given common noun. About what they given? They given about common noun. So they given here, see, look at these pictures, match them with the words from the box. One has been done for you. So boy, girl, place, thing they given. Your hat is a thing. So for thing they mark that one. Hat is a thing. So the thing spelling as marked for a hat. So now they given boy, girl and place. So here the one girl is running, that is girl. So one boy is standing with a ball, that is boy. So here one garden they given, that is a place. So you mark it, children. Naming words or names of person, place, animal or thing called naming words. I said already for you. So match these pictures with the word in the box. Draw a line from the word to picture. They given some of the persons here. So which one is man in that? Which one is woman in that? You should mark it. Okay, which is girl, which is boy, you can find out, right? So here which is man, which is woman, you mark it, children. So did you see the names of man and woman can be given to any man or any woman? These are common names of common nouns. So for particular man, particular woman, like that. Now my name is Smita. So you will be having particular name for you. That is something. Boy names like Arshit, Rahul, like that there will be there. For girl names Geeta, Sangeeta, like that it will be, right, children? So common names are not like that. It will be for boy also same, for girl also same. Now doctor we will take. Doctor, teacher, right, children? So now for men doctor you will call some other name. For other doctor, other name will be there for doctor? No. Now teacher, lady teacher will call as a teacher and gents teacher will call as in other name? No. Commonly what we say, it is a man also, it is a woman also. Commonly we say like doctor only, teacher only, carpenter only, right? No, that is called as a common names. So for a place, thing, animal and a person, which is we called in a common names. Now for things, now garden, bench is there. That all things, no. So that is common name. For bench, so many names are there? No. So for garden, names will be there. Brindavana garden, Lalbagh garden, like that it will be there. But garden is a common name, right? That is called as a common name. Commonly which we are using. So the particular names not commonly which we are using for the person or a place or a thing, for that nouns we call as a common noun. So children, here some of the sentence they given in your textbook, that what you should do, read the sentence and circle the common noun in that sentence. Right children? First one they given, my teacher is Miss Lovely. So in this, which is common noun? So Miss Lovely is a common noun? No. Different names will be having for different persons. Commonly for everyone we are not calling a Lovely. So girl, boy, she, he, like that it is there, means it is a common. Boy, girl is a common. But the name of the persons will be not a common name. It is a proper name, proper noun. Right children? So here in this sentence, which one is a common noun? My teacher is Miss Lovely. So which teacher? Which one is a common noun here? Teacher. I said as that you, for a man, woman, so commonly like that man, woman, boy, girl, like that commonly for what we call teacher. Right? So this is a common noun in this. Children like to play in the garden. So which is common noun here? Garden is a common noun. Garden is common noun. And children. And children is common noun. So for everyone we are calling children, right? So some other names, particular name will be there, but in a group what we call as a children, right? So it is a common name. For boys other name we call, and for girl other name we call. No, for everyone we call as a children. So it is a common name. The bus stopped at the airport. So which is the common noun here? Bus is common noun. Right children? Bus, for all the buses we are calling bus, right? It is a thing. So it is a common noun. Then airport. Airport is a common noun. Please visit my house. Which is a common noun here? Please visit my house. Which is common noun? My house. Rose is a sweet flower. So, rose is a common noun? No, different flowers will be having different names. So, it is not a common noun, right? Which is common noun here? Flower is a common noun. For all the flowers we are calling flower only, no? So, it is a common noun. Right children, I hope you understood. So, next one what they given, see, complete the list of things at the last things office using the words given. So, some of the pictures they given here for you. So, here you should fill that one. A bottle with dash juice. Which color juice is there in that bottle? Orange juice. So, there in the dash you can write orange. Your two books, one with a dash cover and one with a dash cover. Here they given two books for you. So different colors is there for a book. So one book is in blue, one book is in orange or red you can write. So here two crayons they given, right? One is yellow, one is pink. So four caps they given. One is purple, one is yellow, one is green and one is blue. So listen to what Hattie Hat says about ourselves. Means about ourselves we are saying to others, right? So like that only here Hattie Hat is saying about her. Hello, my name is Hattie. I am a hat. I live in Miss Lovely's house. I like to be inside the house all the time. So Hat is saying about the hat herself. So what you should do here, you should say to your friends that now, my name is Smita, I am a teacher. Like what, next what they given, I live in Banagata. So I like to spend time with small kids. So that I am saying about myself, right? So like that only you should write here. My name is, your name you should write, I am a dash, means what you are, you should write. I live in, which, where you are living, your home address, and who are all there staying with you, their names, and I like what you are liking, that you should write here. Okay, children. So we will see in now lesson second what activity they given. So the given first main, read and answer. Choose the correct answer. The young colors were very dash. The given first one, the young colors were very dash. So quiet and still, naughty and playful. What we should write? The colors were very quiet in the class? No. Then what we should write? Colors are very naughty. First answer is naughty and playful. The colors are naughty and playful. The word became very dark because of why the word became very dark? There was a fine weather. There was a storm. It was night. It was night that day. No. There was a fine weather. No. Then why the word became very dark then? Because of storm, right? So what you should write? There was a storm. So next one, the clouds asked dash for help. For whose help the clouds went and asked? They went and asked the help of colors. What did the colors do to make everyone smile? What they made? They made rain? No. They made a rainbow in the sky? They called black and white? Which one is right? Second one is right. They made a rainbow in the sky. They made a rainbow in the sky. So we missed all the fun. Who missed all the fun here? Black and white. Why did they miss all the fun? Because they were late. So this one I will send in your classwork. So here find the hidden words one has done for you. They given rainbow, first one. So what they did that one? It is there, right children? You do it. From second one I will show you. Break fast. So B-R-E-A-K, break plus F-A-S-T, fast. Like this you should write. Classroom, C-L-A-S, class plus R-O-O-M, room, classroom. Cupboard, C-U-P, cup, B-O-A-R-D, board, cupboard. Sugar cane, like that only, sugar plus cane. Sun, shade, sun plus shade. Tea cup, tea plus cup, tea cup. Okay, you do yours. So next one, they given fill in the blanks with the right words. So they given some of the words for you: teacups, notebook, rainbow, sunlight, tablespoon, bus stop. So what you should do here? Put the plants in the dash they given. First one they given, put the plants in dash. Put the plants in the dash they given, right? You can put in teacups, notebook, rainbow, sunlight, tablespoon, bus stop. Where you should put the plants? In sunlight. If you put in sunlight only, it will grow, right? So which is the correct answer there? Sunlight. You should write in the dash sunlight. Please take out the new and dash and teapot for the party. So teapot is there. What we should take for party? Here what it is matching already, sunlight is finished. So teacups, notebook, rainbow, tablespoon, bus stop. What is to write? Teacups. in the sky. What is there in the sky? Notebook is there in the sky? Tablespoon is there in the sky? Bus stop is there? No. Then which is correct? Rainbow. Rainbow is in the sky. Write down my address in your dash. Where you can write your address? So somebody is saying in address for you. Where you can write? Which is remaining there? 3 is remaining. Bus stop, tablespoon, notebook. Where we can write? Notebook. Next, take one dash of this medicine. So 2 only is remaining, bus stop and tablespoon. Medicine in which we can take? In a spoon, right? So what you should write there? Tablespoon. Sixth one, the bus did not stop at the bus stop. Okay. So what here they given? Listen and say these words aloud. Bush, full, put, book, look, shock, yak, yarn, yellow, yolk, water, week, when, wonder, woolen. So read this one. Grammar what they given? In last lesson we learnt a common noun. In this lesson what they given? Proper noun. So for what we will say as a proper noun? So common names which we are using for a person, thing in a common, for that we say as a common name, right? So for proper noun, special name or like earth. Earth is a special name only? No, for us. So which is a special name? Your own name in a proper noun and it begins with a capital letter. The name of your school too is a proper noun. Right children, you understood? So I said you what we are calling as the commonly we are calling the names. That name we will call a common noun. So particular name will be there for a particular person. For example, your name, your mother name, your father name. So particular name is there that for that person, right? That is called as a common noun. So for our school one name is there. School is a common. But name what we given, that is proper noun. One name we given for that, right? So that is a proper noun. So particular person, particular place, particular thing will be having a name for them. For that is called as a proper noun. So common noun, now teacher, doctor, flower, that and all, it is not starting with a capital letter. So nouns will be always, we write a person name, that and all in capital, right? Place name. So your proper name will be in a capital. Always the proper noun is a capital. So now you are writing my name now. Example Geeta I take. This is a common what? Proper noun. Now Geeta is a what? Boy or girl? Girl, right? So girl is common noun here. Commonly we say for all the girls, girl only. So names will be different. So this we are writing in capital letter? No. Excuse me. The common nouns will be in a, not start with a capital letter. But the proper noun will be in a capital letter. The name of the person, name of the place, that and all we write in a capital letter, right? Starting letter should be in a capital letter. But for common noun, it is not like that. Only for proper noun, we are using starting letter in capital. Keep in your mind, children. So here they given some of the examples now. So children, 2 examples I'll show you. Remaining 2 you do it yourself. Miss Rubina Khan is our new teacher. So Miss Rubina Khan is what here? It's a proper noun, right? Teacher is a common noun. So what they given there for you? Find the nouns in this sentence. Color in red the common noun and noun which color in blue the noun which is in proper noun. So which is in common noun you should color it in red color, and which is in proper noun that you should color in blue. In your textbook this activity is there. You do it, children. Before that, one more main they given. That's my name, my special name Ragini they given. My common name girl, like that only. Special name I said Geeta will be the name of the person. It is a proper noun, and common name will be girl. So if we took boy name, special name is Rahul, then common name will be boy. Understood, children? So here in this sentence also you should color proper noun in blue and common noun in red. Okay. Second one, she is from Kashmir, they given. So Kashmir is a name of the place, right? So this is proper noun. This should be in blue. And which is your commonly she, that should be in blue. This should be in, this should be in blue and this should be in red. Okay, I hope you understood. Read this sentence. The rainbow was very beautiful. So how to make a sentence they said here. What is called a sentence? You learned in a first standard itself. What is called a sentence? A group of words which sense it called as a sentence, right? So words, letters if we take and if we make a word, that will is words. From words we are forming a sentence. So which is full sense? The sentence is, now if I say half sentence, it won't be sense. So sentence always it includes a sense. So which sentence is in words we form in a sense, that is called as a sentence. Here some of the this one they given. Tick the ones that are complete sentence. Which one is complete sentence? Only for that you should tick out, children. The sun gave people sunlight. Is that a full sentence? It is making a sense. Yes, it is a making. It is in sense. We can understand that. So you can tick for first one. There was a storm. Yes, it is also a full sentence. There was a storm. Next, the singing butterflies. It is fully. It is, you can understand singing butterflies. What singing butterflies? No, it is not a full sentence. It is not a complete sentence. It is not making any sense. So what you should do? You should not tick for that. You should cancel it. So next, the birds sang their songs. It is a full meaningful sentence. Yes. So tick that one. Hattie lived in a cupboard. Yes. Tick for that also. White and black play in the classroom. It is also full sentence. So you can tick it. Belong to Miss Lovely. So they didn't give full sentence. What is belonging to Miss Lovely? Nothing they given. Anything is belonging to Miss Lovely, they has to give there. So they has to give. Hat is belonging to Miss Lovely. That is a full sentence. So here they didn't give a meaningful sentence. So what you should do? You should not tick for that. You cancel it. So we will see the next main. So children, they given 4 sentences for you in B main. So 2 I am showing and 5 they given, 2 I am showing, 3 you do yourself, right children? So arrange the word to make meaningful sentence. Write them in the space given, like this they given. First sentence what they given? Sunday is tomorrow. Is this a meaningful sentence? They given in a proper way? No, it is jumbled. So what you should do? In a proper sentence you should do. Is tomorrow Sunday? Tomorrow is Sunday. Which we can write? Tomorrow is Sunday. Tomorrow is Sunday. So they given full stop with that. So it is the ending. So always the sentence start with a capital letter. The sentence start with a capital letter. I'll be in school. It's also we will be saying when you are writing the sentence, you should start that time. It should be in a capital. So tomorrow is Sunday. At end it is full stop. So it is fully sentence is full. So it is full stop. If it is framing a question, what you should do? You should write a question mark, right? Leopard in the a cave lived. What we should write? The leopard lived in a cave. The leopard lived in a cave. Okay, children, like this you should frame the sentence. We Indians are. So what you should write? We are Indians. Walks school to Amit. So what you should write? Amit walks to school. Like I storybooks. I like storybooks. Okay. Write the sentence in correct order. Number them first one as done for you. So here, soon it stopped raining and the sun began to shine, but black and white were late and missed the fun. The planets did not like to be in the dark. Long, long ago clouds are learning about rain. So that is the first one they done for you in this box. They written first one. Second one, so the clouds went to call the colors. The world was dark with a black cloud and rain. The colors flew in the sky and made a beautiful rainbow, but the planets were still not happy. So first one, long, long ago, clouds were learning about rain. That is the first one, right, children? So, which one is second one here? The planet, soon it stopped rain and the sun began to shine. No, it is not first one. But black and white were late and missed the fun. No. The planets did not like to be in the dark. So the clouds went to call the colors. The world was dark with a black cloud and rain. So first one is long, long ago, young clouds. That one. Second one is the world was dark with black clouds and rain. Okay, children. F1 they given no. That is the second one. The world was dark with black clouds and rain. But the planet. But soon it stopped rain and the sun began to shine. A1 is the third one. So first one here they given D1, right? D1 is first one. Second one is F. F sentence is second one. Third one is A. Soon it stopped rain and the sun began to shine. The H is fourth one. But the planets were still not happy. So what they did again? The planets did not like to be in a dark. So this next main what they given, write this sentence in the correct order, right children? So soon it stopped rain and the sun began to shine. So first one they given here D1. D is the first one they given. So which is second one? This. The world was dark with the black clouds and rain. F1 is second one. The planets did not like to be in a dark. That is third one. A1 is fourth one. Soon it stopped rain and the sun began to shine. Then after, but the colors flew, but the planets were still not happy. So the clouds went to call the colors. The colors flew into the sky and made a beautiful rainbow. G1 is seventh one. But black and white were late and missed the fun. D1 is eighth one. Okay children, do it this one. Next one, listen to Adil talk about himself, then complete the information in the table. Name Adil, Shah, age, what they given here? Comics 4, pilot 8, football, dosa and idli. Ages 8, classes 4, number of close friends, likes, dosa and idlis. Okay, this one you complete yourself. In this story, the colors help the clouds cheer everyone up. Can you think of way in which you can help people at school? Add to the list given below. That you do it, children. And this is in this chapter we learnt about the importance of punctuality. Yes, no, always colors was coming late, so what they missed? They missed the fun. So we should be punctual in our life, right children? We learned in this lesson proper noun and about punctuality. In first lesson what we learned? We learned about common noun, right? So in next class we will learn activity of poem, clock and for third lessons. Okay, thank you children.